The Bay of Banderas near Puerto Vallarta is filled with humpback whales during the high season. The whales start coming in around the end of November, early December, and then they leave in March, April time frame, with the peak being in January and February. There are a variety of different tour companies in the bay offering excursions such as Vallarta Adventures. They all use a variety of equipment such as Zodiac, single and monohull boats. Prices for these excursions can be very high, especially if you're planning to bring the whole family along. One way to reduce your costs, especially if you have a family or a group of friends wanting to see whales, is to rent a boat with captain and crew. If you fill the boat, the price per person for the excursion will be greatly reduced. Combine this with the fact that in addition to whale watching, you can do a lot of different things on the boat, such as sightseeing the coast, going to Los Arcos, fishing, snorkeling, and swimming. There are a number of captains based out of the marina that will rent you their boat and their crew, and then you are the captain for the day. Essentially, they'll take you where you want to go and do what you want to do, so you set the agenda. Obviously, we'd recommend you consult with them, and they could give you the best advice on what to do and combine it with a variety of different activities so you make the most efficient use of your time. For our whale watching excursion, we chose the Venture, which is a boat operated and owned by Juan Rubio. Juan docks his boat in Marina Vallarta, which is very close to the airport and also the downtown, so it's easy to get to via bus, Uber, or taxi. We chose a 6-hour excursion, which gave us plenty of time to see the whales. I think we spent about 2 hours hunting them down and observing them, and then we fished across the bay, went to Los Arcos to check out the rock formations, then snorkeled and swam. What a great day. If you need more information, drop me a comment. You could also check out my YouTube video, Ultimate Affordable Excursion. Here are a few pictures of Juan's boat. You can see how nice it is. It's about 43 feet long. It has 3 areas to sitting at, one in the back, one in the front, and one up top with the captain. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe.